Hello class, welcome to Social Media Management. I look forward to working with everybody this spring semester and seeing what all you guys come up with for your social media marketing plan, and hopefully you'll enjoy this class and learn a lot. But before we get started, I want to make sure you know how to find everything on Blackboard. If you're watching this video, congratulations, because you've already found the Course Introduction tab over here to the left. Wait for my Wi-Fi. Start Here's the video, which is what you're watching right now. If you click on the second tab, you'll see the course syllabus. Please read through it. Make sure you understand everything about it. It tells you how to get a hold of me and what my office hours are, but it also gives an overview for the class. So like I said, look over that. Underneath the syllabus is a course schedule for this spring semester. As you can see here, it lays out week by week for all 16 weeks. It tells you the topic for each week, and then it goes through the assignments and how much each assignment is worth and when the assignment is due. And again, that runs through the very end of the semester. So look over that. It's all right there for you. Go back to the course introduction folder, and there's Welcome to Social Media Management. That's just my bio, telling a little bit about myself if you don't know me. And then the technology required and help links. If you have any technical problems, you can contact the help desk located in Danley Hall. But then there's also some help links for you there in that folder. Okay, the main bulk of our Blackboard shell for this class is going to be listed under course content over here on the left. So if you click on that, you can see again at each folder there's a week for each folder, all the way through week 16, which I don't have 16 up yet, so 15 weeks are there. But so for each week you're going to click on the folder, and you have a folder that's for lessons and assigned readings. Usually there may be a video in the folder for you to watch, a video lecture that goes with the PowerPoint. There may be a completely different video from YouTube I'd like you to watch. And then there's additional reading material for you to look over. So that's in each week's reading folder. And then you have an assignment folder each week. Okay, and under the assignment folder, you can see it has whatever's due that week. And so for week 1, you just have to do the discussion board where you introduce yourself. But as we get it further in, of course, there's going to be more assignments in each weekly folder. Up here is the social media marketing plan assignment. So for the first 8 weeks of this course, we're working on a social media marketing plan, and we break it apart week by week. But there's a PowerPoint that talks about what is a social media marketing plan. And then there's a couple of sample plans here for you to refer back to. And then each weekly assignment is here in the folder. It's a quick place to go and find them. But these are also listed in the weekly folders. So like I think week 3 is social media marketing plan part 1. But if you need just to quickly find it, it's all right there in this first folder. Okay, the other big part of this course, of course, is the discussion board. You'll have weekly discussion board posts due. Your original post is due on Wednesday, and your 2 reply posts are due on Friday. So as you can see here, each week is already lined out for you. These are easy points. They can really hurt you if you miss out each week. So I encourage you to do it. And again, it is for just the first 8 weeks. After the second 8 weeks, we transition into actual social media posting and blogging. So be aware of that. If you have any questions, as always, contact me, reach out to me, stop by and see me, send me an email. But I hope that this is a successful semester for you, and I'll be talking to you as time goes by. Thank you.